Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. Huge shout out to UAG. They sent me a couple cases to review for my brand new iPhone 11 product. Red, Urban Armor Gear drop tested rugged protection cases. On my left, we have the Pathfinder SE series camo. On my right, we have the Plasma series Magma. We're going to get a really good look at both of these cases on my iPhone 11. Nice presentation, good looking cases, but more importantly than that, protection for your investment. As always, I'll be leaving the information that you need to know down below in the description area. 2 links, one for each case. Hit those links, it'll take you right on over to the UAG website. All right, let's get a good look at these cases on my iPhone 11. Man, that is just one good looking case. Very bold. Let's just throw sexy in there as well. UAG brand name on that hard shell back. TPU material surrounding this case and surrounding the cameras. Plenty of depth going on there to protect the cameras, especially if you're going to be setting down on flat surfaces. Got a lot of lip going on there. I do have a tempered glass screen protector on my iPhone 11 and I can still feel the depth. And if the surface is a little bit rough, you should still be okay. But I think I would choose to go this route on a surface that's a little bit rough because I have my tempered glass screen protector plus that lip. I just don't want anything to happen to my cameras, but you still have a lot of depth. So you should have no issues in protecting that area when you have plenty of depth that this cutout has. Ridge design on both sides for that added security when holding on to your iPhone 11 sporting this case. Cut out there for your speaker, cut out for your lightning charging port, and a cutout there for your mic. Up top, nothing. Power button, nice and clicky. Very responsive. And volume rocker. Up and down, nice and responsive. Your cutout there for your mute switch to mute your ringer. Whew, wow, that's good looking. All right, let's go ahead and test out wireless charging. Now, what you get with this case is what you're going to get with the UAG Pathfinder SE camo. The inside designed to absorb a lot of shock. Impact resistant soft core. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and test out wireless charging. Bam. Just like that. Let's do that again. Just like that. And now we're going to take a couple pictures. Make sure that that cutout is not getting in the way of those cameras doing what they need to do. And that's take great quality pictures. And then we're going to go ultra wide. And you're going to look at those pictures right in there. Very nice. No issues whatsoever. I'm telling you, man, this is just gorgeous. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right, let's get a look at the camo. The Pathfinder SE. Look at that. Wow. I don't know about you, but I'm digging the camo. You can still see the UAG branding back there on that hard shell back. Cutout there for your mute switch. Cutouts. Speaker mic. Lightning charging port area. Yeah, that is just gorgeous. Just giving you a really good look at what this case looks like on my iPhone 11, so you can get somewhat of an idea of what it will look like on yours. Yeah, that gray, white, black up against the red there. Come on, man. You know that looks good. That ridge design. Ah, the grip. Totally digging the grip. The Magma Plasma Series, the Camo Pathfinder SE Series. Two good-looking cases. Very sexy-looking cases. But more importantly than that, these cases are going to protect my iPhone 11. Money that I work hard for. My investment in this smartphone. Nothing's guaranteed. But I'm going to tell you something. I'm way better off having either one of these cases on my iPhone 11. If I were to drop it on the ground without a case, I just can't imagine. Is it this one? Is it this one? Or is it both? Huge shout out to UAG. Appreciate their support here on my Project 13. Till my next video, God bless, peace. I am out.